Good evening, Manoj sir, and good evening to all the viewers. I wanted to share this testimonial regarding the MLC workshop which I attended for 5 days. Wonderful workshop. All gratitude to sir. And because of you, I've learned so many techniques how to program my mind. The power of mind, which is phenomenal, which is tremendous, which we were not aware of, and using the power of mind, one can easily follow the right direction in our daily regime. Using these simple techniques, one can manifest the dreams and the goals that we have. It is a beautiful workshop. Everyone should attend it, and I loved it. And I always wish that I could attend similar workshops which you would have in near future, where every workshop I know you have different techniques which you give it to the people, and it just comes to you. It's just downloaded and it's given by the divine at that time. And every workshop I know would have different kind of different techniques which we can use in our everyday life. And these simple techniques which I wasn't aware of it, and these simple techniques I've already started utilizing it in my regular regime, right from the morning exercises till the night. There are so many techniques that you can use in your everyday life, and this helps us to control our emotions, to control our all kind of anger, aggression. You can even control what kind of dreams that you have. You can control and manifest what you want to. That's the best part I like about the workshop. And I've already started following the simple techniques and procedures. What are the negative forces that have impact on our bodies and on our physical realm and on the realm of our mind? Those how we can remove it. Beautiful simple techniques, and everything is to do with the programming our mind, programming our subconscious, and I am loving it. I'm doing it, and I'm not worried about the results. Yes, as Manoj sir says, just do it. I'm doing it, and all the best to you, sir, for your future endeavors. And of course, all the best to all the people and all the friends that I have made during the workshop. All the best to you, all the best to me in our spiritual endeavor. This is just the beginning. I'm loving it, and I just simply loved the 5 days. How I wished at the last day also I felt like there would have been another day where I can learn more. So to keep this relationship intact, and I am sure that I'll have more workshops. I'll attend more workshops where you will give us good learning, and these learning which will be helpful throughout our practical lives. Thank you.